Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Space Dunks. I'm coming at you today talking about Bitcoin. And yes, it broke the $40,000 wall when it dropped down to 31,000 last week. I bought some more, and I have a position in Bitcoin, and it's a new position. What I did was I believed that this was on sale as it was in the 30s for the last few weeks. But guys, this is really important because a lot of FUDs out there. And if you don't know what FUD means, some people don't know what that means because you might be new to investing. It's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So always do your due diligence. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I am not a professional. As you know, if you watch this channel, I am a retail investor like you. I love Dogecoin. I got in early under a penny because I believe in Dogecoin. But that's another video for another day. I am talking about Bitcoin today, and Bitcoin reflects a lot of the cryptocurrency on the market. I went over that in a previous video on why when Bitcoin goes down or goes up, other cryptos seem to follow. So guys, this is really important for me anyway, because I believe this is a huge opportunity. Bitcoin not only is a legal tender now in El Salvador, they made a play for that. That's the first country to jump on board. And I know there's a lot of naysayers and a lot of people that have different opinions on why it's not a big deal because it's El Salvador. But for me, as a Bitcoin investor and a cryptocurrency investor, it's a big deal because there's no history of any type of coins decades ago. And we are still in the infancy stages, I believe. And if you look at ARK Innovation, Cathie Wood, basically, she has a big ETF. She was right about a lot so far with Tesla, calling Tesla when it was early out like $150 or $200. She was saying it would be worth several $1,000s per share, and a lot of that's coming true. Well, as far as Bitcoin, Cathie Wood believes it will be over or around $500,000 one day. That is her prediction. Now, I'm looking at the way the world is going. Okay, we can look at the chart when you pull it out, the 5-year chart here. I'm looking at Bitcoin as it's going live. It is 40,000 right now and above. Yes, it can perhaps slip back under, but it's a big deal that it went back over 40. And when this all went down was a couple weeks ago, starting with Elon Musk suspending Bitcoin for Tesla payment, and then news with China about cryptocurrencies. So here we are, guys. I'm pumped up because not only do I think Bitcoin is gonna send Ethereum and Dogecoin flying back up in the future as it continues to rise over time, I believe that is definitely being conservative here with my prediction is going to be over 100,000 per coin, probably by the year 2023. There's other people that predicted Bitcoin's future that it's going to be high. There was one guy, I don't have the article, there was one hedge fund guy and he believed Bitcoin would be over 200 something thousand dollars. There's another person that on Forbes, according to this article I'm reading, I'm just breezing through this, someone believes it will be over 100,000 per Bitcoin by the end of 2021. And I'll tell you who it is. It says Anthony Pompliano, partner at Digital Asset hedge fund at Morgan Creek Digital, and then he believes, according to him, it's definitely going to go over or be the target of 100,000 per Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Is that possible? Absolutely. Recently, there's been a lot of bears going on saying that Bitcoin creating more doubt and fear. When I was saying on Stock Twits, this is a huge deal, a huge opportunity. Bitcoin's in the 30s. Dogecoin is in the 30s as far as 30 cents so fast. But going back to Bitcoin, $30,000, and they were spreading. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's going to go down to 5,000 and under again. It's nothing. Well, if that happened, that would be a tremendous opportunity. I don't think it's going to go down to $5,000 anytime soon, if at all, ever again. So here we are. I still say Bitcoin is an amazing steal deal. You have people in the financial markets that do this professionally, that, like Cathie Wood, and like the person I just read about, Anthony Pompliano. Are they wrong sometimes? Absolutely. No one's right all the time. But I believe that Bitcoin is going to be valued at a lot of money. Again, like I said, sending all the other cryptocurrencies up. It's going to be making the way for them as we figure out where we're going with cryptocurrency in the future. I predict the future, like I always say, where cryptocurrency will be accepted on many platforms, banks, and like Amazon, streaming services, and everywhere else. And at first, they'll be taking my opinion, the top cryptocurrencies like the popular ones like Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and of course Bitcoin. Now today it already went to a high, as I'm looking here, of 41,000, which is crazy because this happened really quick. That's a lot of money in a short amount of time. That's the volatility you also get with cryptocurrencies, where I was saying it's temporary volatility with Bitcoin being on a sale like this and other coins as well. So I was saying it's a great opportunity if you want to buy. Of course, not everyone has 40,000 or 30, even 25 or $5,000 sitting around to invest. So I was saying you should get fractional shares, in my opinion, and that's what I did. I got a big, nice position here, and I got about a third, I believe, of Bitcoin. I'm pumped up about my position. Of course, when it went down to 31 and I loaded up, I bought more last week. I wanted to get a whole Bitcoin, but I always invest reasonably, responsibly, and what I can afford to lose, because I don't want to make any mistakes, and just, it's just not financially responsible to take your life savings and throw it all into Bitcoin on a whim. You got to be really careful about what you do. On the other hand, a lot of people that did that have become millionaires, of course. But like what I did with Dogecoin in January, I invested a few grand, under a penny. I believed in it, and it paid off. Probably one of the biggest investments I ever made, with the most gains I ever made in my life. Sticking with Doge, so I love to see Bitcoin do well, because like Jenny Ta, who also predicts Doge will be at a $1 trillion market cap one day, possibly, meaning it will be $7 to $8 per coin for Dogecoin. She says she's thankful to Bitcoin because Dogecoin wouldn't exist if it wasn't for Bitcoin. So I'm not hating, I'm respecting, and I'm here selecting Bitcoin as well in my portfolio. I had it before. I sold out of a position when it was higher, much higher, in the high 50s, I believe, and bought more Dogecoin with it. So I averaged up on one of my portfolios with Doge because I sold out of my Bitcoin position. So here I am again, this time very long, because I got it at a cheap price as far as I'm concerned. 30s and 40s for Bitcoin is pretty dang good, and if it went lower, I would just have to average up, because I believe, like I said, the future is cryptocurrency, and at the very top is Bitcoin, in my opinion, Doge, Ethereum, and the other popular coins, so they can work together. There's room for more than one coin, of course. So here we are, guys. We're going to see what happens. So I'm really happy with my position, and did I get lucky by capturing it in the 40s here, in the low 40s and 40s and 30s? Perhaps, yes. I'll look back one day and say, hey, I got lucky. When are we going to see a dip like that ever again, once Bitcoin does go over 100,000, which I predict as well? Of course, I want to see it go 500,000, like Kathy Wood says. There's people out there that are calling for Bitcoin to be super high. Like, I read some reports, people in the financial world speculating, of course speculation, that it could be 1 million one day, worth $1 million per coin. So I'm really happy about that. So anyway, guys, always invest responsibly. I want to see where this goes. When it went down and to 31, and I was losing a little bit of money because my position was higher than 31,000, I said I'm not worried. I went to one of my live streams, not worried about it at all, and then I averaged up, like I said last week. So I'm really pumped up for the future of Bitcoin. Will it maintain above the 40 wall based on the news, the latest news, which I believe Elon Musk was saying he will accept Bitcoin again for Tesla if it becomes more green, and they're working on it. So we'll see what happens with that. Remember, the news plays a big hand in on everything. Anything can happen in the world news, and things can go up extraordinarily high as well, and they can go low really fast based on what's going on in the world and how the markets play out. Even, the crypto markets, of course, are super volatile, but where else still can you make a lot of money really fast on such currency as crypto? It's very difficult for sometimes stocks to make moves like this, although people are holding on, including myself, to AMC, hoping that the shorts will continue to cover and AMC will fly up, so you can have really high, super high gains, absolutely possible. But with cryptocurrency, it seems to be a lot more expected. It's not stocks, so we know how cryptocurrency can be so volatile, and also how cryptocurrency also can enrich you very fast as well if you make the right plays. So once again, to wrap this up, I am long term on this Bitcoin, and I hope it keeps going up because I know my beloved Shiba Inu meme Dogecoin will continue to rise as well. And I also have a position in Ethereum as well. So I just want to make that clear. So guys, yes, always do your due diligence. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a retail investor like yourself, having a great time, and I hope to see you in a new video or a live stream very soon. It's your boy Space Donks, and I'm about to be out of here. See you next time, baby. Invest wisely. Peace. I'm out.